Welcome to Pick of the Week from Power Semiconductors Weekly. Top industry stories this week. Texas Instruments began production at SM1, its new 300mm fab in Sherman, Texas, just 3.5 years after groundbreaking. The site will ramp with demand to produce tens of millions of analog and embedded chips daily for autos, industry, and data centers, strengthening supply assurance. The Sherman mega site plans up to 4 fabs and around 3,000 jobs, part of Texas Instruments' broader $60 billion manufacturing expansion. onsemi and GlobalFoundries will co-develop and manufacture 650-volt gallium nitride power products on GlobalFoundries' 200mm E-mode GaN-on-silicon platform, pairing onsemi drivers, controllers, and thermally enhanced packaging. Targeting AI data centers, power supplies, EV OBC and DC-DC, solar and ESS, motor drives, and aerospace and defense, the roadmap boosts power density and efficiency while simplifying design. Sampling started in the first half of 2026 with a rapid scale to volume production. Fuji Electric and Bosch will co-develop silicon carbide EV inverter modules with package-compatible outlines and terminal positions, enabling drop-in interchangeability, faster design cycles, and dual sourcing. Leveraging Fuji's high-density silicon carbide packaging across broad power ranges, the partners will jointly refine cooler and terminal integration and provide customer support, bolstering supply resilience and accelerating EV adoption. We'll be back next week. Meanwhile, get your daily updates at powersemiconductorsweekly.com.